Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Ahmad Awan, live in Gujranwala from Punjab. How are all of you? I would like to introduce you Jamia Fizania Sofia Research Center, Dobandi Haripur Hazara KPK. I am student of Jamia Fizania Sofia Research Center, Dobandi Haripur Hazara KPK. Our Jamia is very big. It has an area of 8 canals, 25 rooms for students, 10 teachers, 2 cooks and 2 offices. Our Jamia has numerous departments like Hifaz, Tajweed, Recitation, Scholar course and Modern course. I am student of Darse Nizami. This is called Alim course. More than 15 subjects are taught in this course. There is a search library in our Jamia which has books of all fields. We are provided accommodation, food, medical and sport equipment in this Jamia. Wassalam.